What's up, guys? We have an extremely interesting unboxing here. I have a box right here that was given to me by Jesus. You guys know Jesus. I talk about him all the time on the channel. He said that he had something coming in. He wanted me to unbox it on the channel. I'm not really sure what the deal with this package is. That's pretty much all the context that he gave me. He blurred everything out too. He literally put white out over everything, so I have no idea what's in this package. He did instruct me to open it from the top, so we're gonna open it and see what it is. I'm really intrigued because most of the time when he has stuff come in, he gives me some type of hint on what it is. I don't know. I think he said he may give me the chance to get this from him if I like what it is. So I'm intrigued. Bruh. This was a huge W for me, but actually I always go for non-Yeezy raffles for you and your size, and this was a crazy raffle win from Undefeated. I know your love and admiration for this player, so I'm sure you will like the shoes. Keep up the grind. Jesus the Yeezy guy. Y'all, I'm about to cry up here. I ain't even playing. Y'all see what type of box this is. Dude. This is a pair of Kobe's. Y'all, I'm for about to cut this video. I ain't playing. This is insane. Y'all don't understand, like I know Kobe was a lot of people's favorite player, and he was my favorite player too. And I mean, I did take his death pretty hard. You know, I never met him or anything like that, but I just really admired his work ethic and how he approached his craft. And I know you guys have seen on the Live Cop series that, man, every time there's a Kobe release, I can't seem to hit it. Yep. I honestly have no words. Thank you is not enough. Jesus has been one of the best friends that that I've had over this past couple years, and he's really, I would probably say, my only close friend who knows about shoes, who enjoys shoes, and the support that he's shown me and my channel is pretty unbelievable. And in the note, it says he always goes for any type of Nike and non-Yeezy raffle for in my size, and I can't even thank him enough. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say, guys. Yeah. I know that I don't usually do unboxings as standalone videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. an amazing shoe. So that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below for the algorithm. That's it. I'll see you guys on the next one.